Hi, Storytime friends. We've got a silly story today. How to Give Your Cat a Bath in 5 Easy Steps by Nicola Winstanley and John March. How to give your cat a bath in 5 easy steps. Step 1. Fill the bathtub with warm water. Your cat. That's too much water. Oops. Put a little water in the tub. That much? Oh, sigh. Put a little warm water in the bathtub. The water should come up to your cat's knees. Cat's knees? Have you found Mr. Flea yet? I can't find him anywhere. Do you see that, kitty? See him hiding? See his red nose? Maybe we should start again. Step 1. Step 1. Have milk and cookies. You'll need some energy. Fine. Step 1. Have some milk and cookies. Step 2. Find your cat. Put your cat in the... Hold on. Is the water still warm? I think it's cold. Hold your cat in one arm and turn the tap with your other. Mr. Flea, wait! Chase your cat down the stairs. Step 6. Run back to the bathroom. I thought you said there was only 5 steps. Step 6. Run! Step 7. Turn off water. Oh no. Step 8. Mop the floor. Step 9. Find. Step 9. Have another cookie. Step 10. Find your cat. Again. Oh. What's he doing? Licking himself. How to give your cat a bath in 1 easy step. Step 1. Sit quietly while your cat licks himself clean. Have a great day, Storytime friends. We'll see you next time for another great story of the day. But until then, air hugs.